Social and political commentary from a Christian male perspective.
Some good news for Tiffany Henyard. The judge won't fine departing Dolton Mayor Tiffany Henyard in liquor license dispute. Let's go find out what's going on. A Cook County judge Friday declined to sanction Dolton Mayor Tiffany Henyard due to end of her single term as mayor on Monday in a lawsuit over liquor licenses. Judge Celicia Hearn said that any fine she issued would ultimately harm Dolton residents rather than the departing mayor. Okay, I could dig that. I could dig it. The citizens of Dolton have spoken her and said they don't want her to be in charge anymore. Henyard came into office 4 years ago, seemingly a breath of fresh air and promising transparency in village government. Although that promise quickly evaporated, and village trustees said that they were kept in the dark about the true condition of the village finances. The people of Dolton are going to have to end up paying for this, Heron said, of any fines she might impose. I don't want the people of the village to get hit when they don't deserve to get hit. It took a lawsuit and a court order by Heron for St. Patrick's Steakhouse and Rooftop Bar to secure a liquor license for the business. The lawsuit was filed last September and ordered Henyard in the capacity of the Dolton Liquor Commissioner to approve the licenses after she initially supported the business coming to the village. The 5-level business was built on the site of a former animal hospital at 15022 Lincoln Avenue, just south of Sibley Boulevard and just east of Dolton Bowl. TAK Group Investments is the owner and operator of the St. Patrick's, plan to sell a liquor store it owns in Dolton, Imperium Liquor Depot, to another operator. According to the lawsuit, TAK plans to open a retail liquor store on the first floor of St. Patrick's. Got it. In March, the federal grand jury subpoena delivered to Dolton Village Hall sought information about St. Patrick's, including inspection reports and communications between village officials, former and current building tenants, and property owners as part of the criminal investigation. There was to be sanctions, Andre, attorney for TAK, said Friday after Friday's hearing. He said that the fair thing to impose sanctions on the people who engaged in misconduct, referring to Henyard. Heron said that she was unsure whether she could impose sanctions or fines on Henyard individually for something that she did under the color of the office of the mayor, mayor and liquor commissioner. Yeah, I don't think you can do that too. I agree with him. I'm frustrated Henyard agreed to issue the licenses, then did not do it, the judge said. Now, this is where I think the judge still had some teeth, though. Henyard had previously been found in indirect contempt of court for showing up late to a court hearing. The mayor's tardiness showed disrespect to the court, Heron said at Friday's hearing. I think she should have got held in contempt. That would have been a good compromise. Attorney McStephen Max Solomon, oh, he's back, representing Henyard in the lawsuit, said at the hearing that is, quite frankly, this is a personal between the plaintiffs and Ms. Henyard. It's over. Let's just move on, Solomon said. Heron did issue admonishments against Henyard and Solomon, alleging that the mayor placed loosey-goosey with the facts surrounding the issuance of the license of St. Patrick's. I think she should have said played loosey-goosey, not placed. Heron did grant Solomon's motion to withdraw as Henyard's attorney. The lawsuit continues with Menotti Jenkins taking over her defense. The judge set a July 2nd status date for the case. Wow, that's almost 2 months from now. Vukovich said that the sticking point going forward is that Henyard was sued in her capacity as a mayor and liquor commissioner, role she no longer will have. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. Dalton trustee Jason House is due to be sworn in on Monday as the village new mayor, and after having soundly trounced is crazy, Henyard in the February Democratic primary, state senator Napoleon Harris was elected supervisor after Henyard wasn't slated by township Democrats for the recent election. Jenkins said, as far as any damages that might result from the TAK lawsuit, I don't see any basis where they can impose on Henyard individually. Okay. I hear them. So let's jump over here to this comment section. Let's go look at the comment section real quick. Let's see what these comments is talking about over here on the Dolton Politics page. Shout out to them. Let's go. She could have put Tiffany in jail for contempt. Of course, I agree. She could have done that. Yeah. Judges seem pathetic. It's a real miscarriage of justice when a judge issues a political sentence, not a sentence based on law. You're never going to fix corruption when the judges do this. Shut up. Maybe the judge got paid too, and you wonder why she doesn't obey the law. That judge has got to go. It's Illinois. What do you expect? Shut up. Good old Teflon Tiffany. No one in the judicial system seems to want to punish her. Absolutely outrageous. Is this the reason she won't fine her? Because they now have the license thanks to our actual mayor, Jason House, so there's no reason to move forward, or the judge just won't do his job. Charge her. Sorry. All right. Pretty interesting article. Well, shout out to Tiff. She had, something positive, I guess you could say, happening. She ain't gonna get I personally think she should have been fined. I personally think she should have, or if not fined, put in jail. Maybe put them in that order. Put her in jail or fine her. But anyway, I want to know what you think. Jump into your Hellcats, jump into the comment section. Let's hear what you say about this. What do y'all think? And apparently, so Jason is getting sworn in on May 5th. So, okay. I thought it was later. According to this, it sounds like they're saying May 5th. So shout out to that. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments below. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for helping us hit our goal of 50,000 subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. It means so much. So until next time, everybody, grace and peace.